Question 16 here says, why is that one person starts taking alcohol or drugs? Okay, is difficult to get rid of that habit. Discuss it with your teacher. Okay, alcohol or drugs are something that you get addicted to. Now, addiction is a sense with the use of drugs or alcohol. What happens is your brain starts interpreting that everything is fine and you are happy. So the feeling of that happiness is increased and your body will start getting used to it. And that's the reason when one starts having alcohol or drugs, we'll need to have alcohol or drugs to function properly. The withdrawal of it will cause problems like irritation, mood swings, aggressiveness. And that, my dear friends, is the reason why they should not be taken in the first place. Okay, when a person starts taking alcohol or drugs, he becomes psychologically and physiologically completely dependent on alcohol and drugs. And it becomes difficult for him to get rid of this habit. Okay, so it's as simple as when you start riding a bike or driving a car, you will not walk that much distance. Okay, so it's just like to come to work, to go to school, you need a vehicle. Just because we stopped practicing like walking. Okay, in the same way as we are dependent on phones, we are dependent with information, we're dependent on vehicles. In the same manner, we get dependent with these things. Like a person needs to have these things. So a person is psychologically as well as physically completely dependent on alcohol and drugs and thus cannot get rid of that specific habit.